The PDF document you see here is a fillable PDF web form. After filling out the form, when I click the submit button, it submits the data online as an online form works. You can view the data in a Google Sheet. Let's see how to create a PDF web form for free. I'll use JotForm or JotForm to create the web form. I'll log in using my Google account. I have a few forms here. To create the PDF web form, first I need to design the form on this JotForm platform. I'll create a form. You can use a template. You can import a form using a PDF document. I'll start from scratch. I'll select this classic form option. Here I'll add the fields. I'll add the full name, email, phone, and I'll select this drop down field. I'll change it to profession, and for the field teacher or student. You can use any of the fields here, but when you want to convert it into a PDF web form, you cannot use this date picker because the date picker doesn't work on a PDF document. For the demonstration purpose, I'll keep the form simple and I'll change the heading to this. When the form is ready, you can click on this preview form option to preview the form. This is how my form looks. Now I'll go to the publish option here. And here I see download fillable PDF. I'll select this and I'll click on download. It shows a warning. If I make any design changes, it will affect the web form. I'll continue and this is the form. I'll not make any changes here. I'll click on the download button. I'll open the PDF form and this is how the PDF web form looks. And here I see the submit button. Before submitting a record, I want to integrate Google Sheets with this, so I can view all the records in the Google Sheet. I'll close this preview option here. Now I'll go to the settings option. I'll click on integrations. I'll select Google Sheets. Here, I'll select create new spreadsheet and I'll click on next. This is my email account. I'll click on the add action button. I want to keep all the form fields here. I'll click save. Here I see the URL for that Google Sheet. Currently it has nothing. Let's try submitting a record. I'll add a sample record. I'll select an option on this drop down and I'll click submit. It says the document is trying to connect to submit.jotform.com. Because this is a PDF web form, it will submit the data online. I'll click on allow. I don't see the record in the Google Sheet instantly. I'll see that in a moment. But to view the record, I'll go to my JotForms. Here I see all my forms and this is the form I just created. Here I see one submission. I'll click on this and I can view the submission here. If you don't want to integrate with Google Sheet, it's fine. You can view all the records here. Now in the Google Sheet, I see the record. This is the same record. We filled the data in this PDF document, but it is connected to this web form. So we can see the record on JotForm or in the Google Sheet. You can professionally design your form with all the fields JotForm provides. The purpose of this video is to show you how you can create a PDF web form for free. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.